Opposition leader Nelson Chamisa, his family rejected President Mnangagwa's attempt to extend his presidency beyond 2028. Salamina mashoko atinoona kuti aiwa Nelson Chamisa vopindira panhau yavanoona kuti aiwa vakomana opposition avanasi muzochabangu vari afema vakaiva vakawirirana nethe regime kuti vaite this amendment. Sanapinda mashoko anobuda nyuka panapa munobva subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tikipinda panapa pahinduism muchinzi. The move is sparked tension as hardliners within the ruling ZANU-PF party push for a constitutional amendment to allow Mnangagwa to remain in office until 2030. Under Zimbabwe's current constitution, Mnangagwa's second term is set to conclude in 2028. However, functions within ZANU-PF argue that an amendment is necessary to extend his tenure, citing various reasons, including political stability and economic recovery. These calls have intensified as the party prepares for the next presidential election. On Thursday, Chamisa, the leader of opposition Citizen Coalition for Change, responded to the push with a defiant statement it can't, asserting that the constitution should be respected and that the democratic process must not be undermined. Chamisa's remarks highlight the ongoing political struggle between Zimbabwe's ruling party and the opposition groups, with Chamisa himself being a prominent contender in the upcoming 2028 elections. The debate over the presidency extension has become a significant point of contention, further dividing the political landscape in the country. The opposition leader's stance on the issue reflects a broader commitment to upholding constitutionalism and democracy, signaling that any attempt to alter the term limits will face strong resistance from this camp. Ndomashoko atinoona kubva one of the opposition leader Nelson Chamisa achiudza kuti aiwa you cannot violate the constitution tiripo. Ari kuyashumira achitaura mashoko achiti aiwa this move inofanira kumisiwa, it must be resisted. Tose mafunguro enyu muri kudai pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Kuenda comment section menu, subscribe or like, on the bell icon.